Hey there. We got some sad Texas fans after that last football game.
Yeah, that was a tough game.
Is there anything you can do to cheer them up?
Yeah, I have some ideas. Come on over. So here's what we're gonna do. I know that Texas loves Texas, so we're gonna start with the great state of Texas. And in the middle, I'm gonna try something a little new. You'll see. Hook 'em! Okay, so here's what I got. I got Texas in 5 different colors. I know it looks super simple, but trust the process. I have a plan for it. Okay, time to choose the woods. Thinking one of these. So I picked out some veneers already. I want this as the background for Texas. I want some simpler woods. I have cherry and walnut here as the more basic colors. Then I have some cool woods. I got this one that looks kind of like a tortilla. This one has a pretty cool green pattern. And the last one I like because it's dark and it has a bit of a sheen to it, a little bit of a glimmer in the light. Off to the workshop! So normally I would peel the tape after gluing it up and start sanding everything, but I want to try something new. I have a Longhorn here. I'm gonna glue it on top, then I'm gonna cut an outline of the Longhorn and see how it looks.